Have you seen this pet monkey that got shot for ripping off this lady's ear? I don't know what kind of ear that lady had, and I don't know what kind of lady you were, but I would have been fighting that monkey so bad. Anyways, I was walking the other day, and I had two incidents a couple of weeks ago where these two dogs were like, one was barking at me through the fence, and then the other one was walking, you know. I was like, all right, bitch, come out here and see what happened to you. I had my good kicks on, too.
Keep it real, here to say how you feel today.